Hello, my name is Sarai Pumayali Quispe. I am 22 years old. I am Peruvian and I live in Cusco. I am a student of civil engineer at University Continental Cusco campus. I am Fred, responsible and curious. I speak Spanish and a little English. I can draw, food, and use design software on the computer. I can also work in teams and solve problems. I like I like learn new things and helps people. I enjoy working on projects and sharing ideas with my classmates. Every day I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I use time a shower and have breakfast with my family. I go to university on Saturdays and Sundays. I often Sundays in a library and sometimes I meet my friends in the cafeteria. In the afternoon, I do my young work and listen to music. I always go to bed at 10:30 p.m. I love reading books and watching movies. I love romantic and adventure stories. I also like dancing and walking in the park. I don't stay noisy place and I don't enjoy eating spicy food. My favorite food is pasta and my favorite drink is lemonade. Now, what to describe my bedroom? There is a bed next to the windows. There is a desk in front of the bed, and there are two chairs. On the dirt, there is a computer and a lamp. There are books on the shelf and a mirror on the wall. My room is small but comfortable, blue and white. There is a closet near the door and there are shoes under the bed. I use outfits from every day. For example, I have a dog. I love gym. My sister has a bicycle. She uses it to go to school. Parents are very kind. I help them with the housework. Let me ask and as well some question. What time do you why do you wake up? I wake up at 6:30 am. Where do you start? I study at University Continental Campus. What do you like to do in your free? At reading and listen to music. Who do you live with? I live with my parents and my sister. It's yard at travel to live with my family. Listen to music and walk around the city. We ate delicious food and to make food. The weather was sunny and the people were very friendly. I felt very happy and excited. In the future, I want to travel to other places outside of Cusco. I would like to visit France and Italy. I want to learn more English and improve my communication skills. I would like to work on the engineering projects and help build better cities for people. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoy it.